What if you could have flagship-level performance, stunning visuals, and advanced features all in one sleek package? The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE promises to deliver just that. But does it live up to the expectations? Let's dive into the details and find out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is gearing up to be a powerhouse in the smartphone market. With its cutting-edge hardware and versatile design, it's a device that many are keeping an eye on. Let's break down its features and see what makes it special. First, we talk about design and build. The Galaxy S25 FE combines Gorilla Glass Victus on the front and Gorilla Glass 5 on the back, held together by a sturdy aluminum frame. Its IP68 water and dust resistance means it can handle splashes or even a quick dunk without breaking a sweat. With various color options, the design caters to both minimalists and those who like to make a statement. Whether you're at work or out with friends, it's a phone that looks good in every setting. When it comes to display, the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Its 120Hz refresh rate makes every swipe and scroll buttery smooth, while the HDR10 support ensures an immersive experience for videos and games. With a peak brightness of 1900 nits, the screen remains visible even under harsh sunlight, making it a reliable companion for outdoor use. Now we talk about performance. At the heart of the Galaxy S25 FE is the Exynos 2500 chipset, paired with a 3.3 GHz deca-core processor and the Xclipse 950 GPU. This setup ensures smooth multitasking, responsive gaming, and fast app launches. With 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of internal storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space or speed. Though it lacks a microSD card slot, the ample storage options should suffice for most users. If we talk about camera, the triple camera setup on the back is impressive, featuring 200MP main sensor for sharp and detailed shots, 50MP telephoto lens for zooming in without losing quality, 50MP ultra-wide lens for capturing stunning landscapes. The camera also supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, making it a great tool for aspiring videographers. On the front, the 50MP selfie camera ensures crisp and vibrant selfies, perfect for social media. When it comes to the battery life, all-day performance, the 5000 mAh battery promises to keep you connected throughout the day. With 120W fast charging support, you can quickly top up your battery when you're in a hurry. While exact charging speeds are unspecified, Samsung's track record suggests it will be more than sufficient for most users. If we talk about connectivity and features, packed with essentials, the Galaxy S25 FE is ready for the future with 5G support, ensuring faster internet speeds. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6E for seamless browsing, Bluetooth 5.4 for reliable wireless connections, USB Type-C with OTG support for fast data transfers. The series has budget-friendly alternatives to flagship models. If priced well, the Galaxy S25 FE could be one of the best value-for-money options in its category. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is built for users who want a premium experience without breaking the bank. Its combination of design, performance, and camera capabilities makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE checks many boxes: a gorgeous display, powerful performance, and a versatile camera. If you're looking for a phone that offers flagship features at a fraction of the price, this might be the one for you. What do you think about the Galaxy S25 FE? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.